Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk about the financing, cryptos and NFT. In today's video, we will going to talk about how to invest in crypto as a beginner, as a completely a newbie. If you are new to this crypto world, how to invest. I'm going to be sharing some tips with you guys that really help me to start investing in crypto and start building my own crypto portfolio. So I'm going to be sharing everything based on my knowledge and experience so far in this video. So without further ado, let's get straight with that. Before go back, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we're gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. I have a finance planner bundle. I'm gonna leave that planner in the description box below. Make sure you grab it out. It's a PDF download which you can very well download it, or you can actually take a printout of it, fill it out, and you can have your finances keep in a proper shape, taking you for recording your expenses, your savings, your debt, how much you are making, where money is going, how to invest properly. Everything is there in that finance planner bundle. Make sure you grab it out. The link is in description box below. Here's a big disclaimer. Everything that I'm going to be sharing in this video are entirely based on my own experience and knowledge. I'm not a crypto expert, or I'm not a tech expert or consultant. If you really need some tech expert help or crypto expert help, something like that, please contact the expert in this area. I'm just a newbie, a beginner like you only, who's started investing in the crypto I think few months back only. So I'm going to be sharing my tips. It's completely for a newbie, for a beginner who are new to the crypto world. So please take my advice with a grain of salt. There's so many videos you can see on the YouTube or even on the blog articles. You're gonna see a lot of the content about investing in the crypto and various different advices, tips and tricks and strategies, and hopefully it will going to help you. The fourth tip that I have for you, whenever you want to start with investing the crypto, look for your funding. That's really important. I know that there's a lot many people who go into the crypto thinking that they're gonna make a few quick bucks, or they're gonna make thousands of dollars, millions of dollars from the crypto, and we're going to become million or billion or something like that. No, it doesn't happen overnight, okay? It's kind of like a gamble. To be frank, it's kind of like a gambling. You're doing a gambling, okay? You might make money, you may lose money. So you have to have a proper funding, a proper financing, how much money you want to invest every single month, where that money is coming from. Are you taking a loan to invest into the crypto or something like that? What that money is coming from? I would highly recommend you to invest the money that you are actually saving from your income, from your salary. Don't take a loan from someone, or don't borrow it from someone to invest in crypto, because that could be a risky thing. No surety that you're gonna make $1 million or $1 billion. There is no surety. You may make, or you may not be making. Try to invest the money that you're making from your income and salary, and save it little bit, 1 or 2% or 5 or 10% from your salary, and then start investing in the crypto. The second tip that I have for you, or the second step that you can very well do, is actually pick up a broker or an application or a software or a company, whatever you call it, which will going to help you invest in crypto. Now there are so many different kinds of the applications out there. Coinbase is one of the famous of them. Then the crypto is there, Binance is there, then you have the Gemini are there. It depends on you. Some also do use the Robinhood, some also use the Vanguard. So it depends on you. I would highly recommend you to do your research before picking up a right broker, okay? Because every broker has their own rules and regulations. The currency exchanges, the crypto investment, which wallet you need to actually use to start investing in your crypto, how much money you can invest, where to invest, what are the tax related stuff, everything you need to do your research before actually picking up a broker. There are so many out there. I try to actually tell you to pick up 2 or 3 out of them. Like, pick up the Coinbase, because Coinbase is one of the most reputed company out there and many people are investing, so it's more safe, okay? The second thing is crypto.com is also kind of like a feel safe. I feel that, again, it's my own experience and knowledge. I may be wrong in this area. And you can also check out the Binance or Gemini. They are also quite worth it. So pick up 2 or 3 which you feels like you feel more safe and you know more about them. And then go deep dive into that and do your entire research about that particular company. How you're going to invest in that? What are the exchange rate they're going to take? What are the commissions they're going to take? How much it will going to cost? Everything before actually picking up a broker, because it will really going to help you save a lot of the time and money and energy later on the road. Third tip that I have for you is to pick up a wallet. Once you know which broker you want to go, Every other broker has a different kinds of the wallets they support. Some MetaMask as the wallet, some take as the different wallets. Like there are so many different wallets, you can very well go with that. Some are the most common ones and some are kind of like a rare. So depending on which broker you're choosing, you need to have an account in that wallet by which you can actually transfer your money. The fourth tip that I have for you is to, once you know that you want to go with this broker, you have this much amount of money, you have this wallet, now you can have a diversifying portfolio. Okay, now this is my own experience, guys. Okay, I'm just sharing my own experience and knowledge, but I think that diversifying your investment is really amazing, and it's really much more safer than investing a lot of the money in just one cryptocurrency. I would recommend you to try maybe at least 2 or 3 different cryptocurrency, maybe Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or something like that. There are so many different cryptocurrencies out there. So depending on that, you can pick up 2 or 3 different cryptocurrencies and start diversifying your portfolio, diversifying, so that if you actually lose money in one cryptocurrency, you may make money in the other cryptocurrency, because diversifying your investment portfolio is kind of like a more safe rather than just investing in one stock only or in one cryptocurrency only. So I would highly recommend you to diversify it. So you know that you're going with these 2 or 3 broker, you have the wallets, now you know how much money you're gonna actually invest. Now you need to pick up the 2 or 3 different cryptocurrencies. You can do your entire research on a Google. You can look at the different blog articles, watch the different YouTube videos. There are so many YouTubers talking about the cryptocurrencies. You can watch their videos. You can gain as much knowledge as you want, and then pick up at least 2 or 3 cryptocurrencies that you want to invest in. The fifth tip that I have for you, with that being said, once you know everything, now you need to start investing money. I would recommend you to be consistent with that. Personally, I'm not a day trader, guys. Okay, there are so many people who invest in a day, and then at the end of the day they actually sell those cryptocurrencies to make some profit out of it, if they make a profit, whatever the case is. But I'm kind of like a more kind of like a investor who just invests the money and take a look at that and kind of like be more passive rather than be more active. So if you want to be like that, be more passive rather than be more active, be consistent with your investment. Like every single month, look at your funds and see that I'm going to invest maybe $30 or $100 or $500 into this particular cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to invest them, and then I'm going to sit back, wait and relax, and I'm going to invest in the next upcoming month the next amount of the money into the next cryptocurrencies, and then I'm going to keep a check on which one is going high, what is the valuation rate, what are the different matrices. I'm going to keep on looking at that, but again I'm going to be more passive rather than actually being more active, because I think that if you are being more passive in this game, you're going to make more money, because it's all about the patience. The game is of a patience. If you are just here to make a quick bucks, then probably you're gonna lose more money than you ever think of, because your decisions, your action steps always going to dictate that you're too impatient. You're too impatient and you want to make a quick bucks. That's why you're gonna make a decisions or action steps that will actually going to make you lose a lot of the money instead of actually making money. So I believe the patience is a key over here, and that's what I'm telling you. If you are a day trader, then very well watch some other YouTuber video who are talking about day trading, because they would give you some different tips. Personally, I'm not a day trader and I don't really believe in that, because it's a game of more patience rather than being more active. Because you are kind of like building a portfolio. It's not just about investing and making money. It's kind of like building a portfolio that can actually serve you for the rest of your life, maybe 10 years or 20 years later down the road. It will going to make you more passive income than you ever thought of. Last tip that I have for you is listen to your intuition and be patient. Now, if you're actually watching different YouTubers about the cryptocurrencies, they are making some live videos, or you're watching some news channel talking about the cryptocurrencies, or whatever the case is, you are actually gaining knowledge or listening to other people, all of the information and resources in your brain, okay? And at the end of the day, your decisions will going to be influenced by what you're actually taking a lot of the information from the outside world. And I think that it's very important for us to actually listen to our intuition rather than consuming a lot of the information from the outside of the people, because we know everything inside of our what is right for us. And that's the case also when we are investing on when we are making money in whatever way we are making it. Okay, if your intuition is telling you something which is very different from other people who are giving you the tips about the crypto, then I would highly recommend you to listen to your intuition rather than listening to that people. It may sound counterintuitive, but later on down the road, it will going to serve you a lot. Personally, for me, I try to listen to more to myself rather than looking out for other people tips and tricks and strategies. Don't get me wrong, there are so many people in this world who have an amazing advice, amazing suggestions, tips and tricks, and they have so much knowledge and experience that they can give you. But at the end of the day, it's all about you. Okay, it's your money, it's not their money, it's your money, and you are actually risking your money. So you want your money to be in a safer road, and you want to actually make money instead of losing it. So it's your money, so decision should be yours. It shouldn't be about any other people. So you can take the advice from other people, you can learn from it, you can use their experience and knowledge, but listen to your intuition as well. Please have patience, because I've seen personally when I was investing in the crypto in the beginning, I invested in the Dogecoin and the Bitcoin in the very beginning. At that time the rates were quite low. I actually started investing, I think I bought my first one in the 2021, and I see the rates now, it has actually increased from there, and I haven't sold that cryptocurrency which I bought in the 2021. I'm still having it, I'm still holding on to it. You need to look at how much money you're investing, where you are investing, and how you can get your money back if you really need any time. So hopefully these tips will going to help you. Again, these tips are entirely based on my own knowledge and experience. Maybe some other people would give you entirely different advice and tips and tricks, but it's entirely based on my knowledge and experience. Let me know, are you investing in the crypto, in the comment section below? What's your own experience and knowledge? If you have a crypto story, I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. I'm gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.